How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your C8 Z06 E-Ray rear extended splash guards installed on your car. They help protect your car and they look good doing it. So let's go ahead and get to the install. So in order to get our OEM splash guard off and the new one installed, if you have a lowered car like this, it is helpful to have it raised. So if you have a lift or a jack or something like that, to just give us some more room in this wheel well to work. So that's what we have here, but by no means do you need to take the wheel off of the car or anything like that. So let me show you how we get our OEM one off. So to get your OEM one removed, we need a T15. We're gonna undo these two bolts on the front here. This bottom one, if you have a low profile tool or something like that, makes it a lot easier. And just like that, both T15 screws are removed from the front. And now coming down here to the bottom, we will remove this 7mm screw. Just like so. So now we're gonna reach in behind our OEM one, apply some force, kind of pull those clips out. And just like that, we now have it out. And taking our new one, we already have all three of the supplied clips that come with it installed. Just slide over those three plastic tabs. We'll do the same thing, reverse process, slide it in, line up those clips, snap it into place, reinstall the three screws we took out, the 215s here on the front and the 7mm on the bottom. And just like that, your new rear extended splash guards from Paragon are fully installed. And there you guys have it. It is now fully installed. Repeat that obviously on the other side, and in less than 5 minutes, without leaving the comfort of your driveway or garage, you can have your Z06 or E-Ray protected with the extended rear splash guard. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If it was, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below, comment and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.